This video is all about this turkey, our favorite food of the year. I'm lying. This is the kids' most dreaded food of the year. The Thanksgiving turkey, the Christmas turkey, just turkey period. And we're going to brine this turkey to get the most flavor out of it this year. And it's going to be so juicy and tender, the kids not going to know we hit them. So let's go ahead and clean it first. So first we're going to go ahead and take the Cajun off this turkey. Y'all, these turkeys be locked up all year long. So we got to go ahead and let it be free. Okay? Now, when you open your bag up, don't destroy the bag, because you don't want to destroy the skin of your turkey before you even cook it now. Don't destroy the turkey. Be careful. So hopefully by now, y'all have cooked a turkey before. If not, we're going to show you how to do it. I always smell it just to make sure it smells fresh. But you're going to see a lot of blood come out of the packaging. It's normal. Everybody has blood. Animals have blood. We got blood. It's okay. We're going to clean it. That's what we're doing. Don't be scared. It's just like a newborn baby. Y'all know. Having kids. You bring the baby home. You need a little practice. It's all right. Every year you're going to do something different with your turkey. And this year we're doing the same thing. It's already thawed out. So I pretty much can just go in and reach and grab everything out of it. This is the turkey necks. We are going to keep that because I do like to make the gravy. So we're just going to go ahead and put it in a separate bowl. Normally it comes with the bag of giblets in there too. But this turkey's skimping me this year. There's nothing in there. Alright, so now we're just going to go ahead and just give it a little rinse because this is going to go into our brine for about 24 hours. So just get it clean enough because once we take it off the brine, we're going to rinse it and do all the extra stuff to it again anyway, so it's okay. Just be gentle. Now you're going to have all this little extra stuff right here. I'm going to go ahead and just trim this now. So that way once we take the brine out the next day, I don't have to be fooling with this. Oh, there you go, right there. We pulled the baby out. That's the giblets. It was hiding in there. Okay, we got it out. Y'all, that makes some good gravy, so don't throw that away. I try not to cut it off too far down because once it cooks, that skin is going to shrivel down a little bit more. So I probably go like right here. And just cut that off. And it's going to be fine. And then you're going to go through and inspect it, you know, make sure it don't have a bunch of feathers on it. I don't know if y'all can see right here, but it's like this little bone type thing. I don't know what this is, but I don't like it. And you're going to pretty much need you a little garbage pile. So like all of your meat and everything you're going to be throwing away so it won't get down in your sink. And then this little piece right here is to, you know, keep this intact. But actually, yeah, I'm just going to keep this on there. Now, I did get a little rip. I didn't even do that. How did this happen? Okay, don't blame that on me. I did not do this. Alright, so let's cut this back on. No feathers. Pretty good turkey. I don't even know what size this is. And then you're going to flip it over and make sure you get it on the inside. Get all of that blood and that gunky stuff out. Make sure it's still no more like frozen ice cubes in there. Alright. That's a good looking turkey, right? We waited all year long. About how many days? 300 15 days for this turkey. So now we're going to go ahead and get the brine ready.